Luke here with the Outdoor Boys YouTube channel. I'm spending the next 4 days camping in these woods. But I'm not just camping. Me and my trusty mini bike, we're gonna be cutting a 1/4 mile of fresh trail through these woods to try to get to a really awesome little river. And at the end of this camp out, my family's gonna come down and join me, and we're gonna have an awesome family camp out. Come along for the ride. We're gonna have a great time. All right, guys, we're doing something a little different today. I'm gonna take my little motorcycle and we're gonna cut our way straight through there, all the way to a river. And we're gonna be camping and bushwhacking until we get there.
Out in stormy weather, I might have the blues, but nothing ever stopped me from dusting off my shoes. You might think you'll see me falling to the ground, but I threw up my umbrella when rain stops hitting town. Yeah! On a bad day, on a good day, I don't need no sunshine, 'cause I'm dancing with the rain. You will see me running, thinking I might be insane. I don't need no sunshine, you keep me going strong.
Whew, we're making some really good progress, but it's a real trick to stay on course.